you walked in the joint. I could see you were a man of distinction, a real big spender.
Right, so it's day 3 and today we're going to Lake Mead, going to fetch a car, and it's only 7:15, so shh. So yeah. Shh. Don't disturb anyone. Anyway, yeah, that's a sweet. We'll stay one of them one day. Or we'll just stay at Bellagio when we're rich. Yeah, we're to Lake Mead and going to fetch the car now. So we've got the keys now. They gave us a nice upgrade as well, so I think we booked a Toyota Corolla. They gave us a Chrysler 300C. So we found the car now, and it's that beast. So quite a big Chrysler 300C. Nice, full leather and job lot. So yes. Right, so just got to Boulder City now, and yeah, we're going to go and get some food and have a look around here for a couple hours, and then we're going to get off to Lake Mead. So quite a strange drive out here, getting used to driving on the wrong side of the road and understanding everything. But yeah, we're here now, so let's see what we've got in Boulder City. Right, so that's it, we're pretty much done in Boulder City now. This is the place where all the builders that built the Hoover Dam lived, basically. So yeah, we're just about to leave, head over to Lake Mead. And if you're wondering what the glasses are about, bought a fridge magnet and got a free pair of alien glasses from Area 52. So yeah, we're going to get to the car now and make our way back over to Lake Mead. So we're now at Lake Mead, and
it's hot.
It's hot, and it looks stunning.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Like proper blue, clear waters, and oh, the mountains and everything around look absolutely mint. So, and there's some ducks down there. So yeah, we're going to check in now. The boat tour is not for another sort of 45-50 minutes. So yeah, we'll see what footage we can get around Lake Mead and see what this big pond's like, really. So, although apparently it's a bit more than a pond. So, yeah. So that's the tour of Lake Mead and Hoover Dam. That's all done now. So now we're just gonna head towards Henderson, and then we're gonna head back to Vegas. We've got a show tonight. We're going to go watch the Jabberwockies. So yeah, time to get back on the road again. Right, so I think that's pretty much it for today's video. Just got back from Lake Mead and dropped the car off. We're now going to just go and get something to eat and go watch Jabberwockies tonight. So unfortunately they don't let cameras in, so I'm just going to probably get a few bits and bobs on my phone. I'll be leaving this in the hotel room, so I'll try and get some Jabberwocky footage or, you know, general strip action. But yeah, that's pretty much today's video over, so see you tomorrow.